I just made silly noises into the camera because I decided that's how I should start this video. Imagine if you filled an entire swimming pool with grapes and then you put on a bathing suit and just jumped into the pool and landed in like a big belly flop on all those little grapes. Let's imagine that together. Bye.